I had a picture of myself, whew, on my computer, 6 years old. Innocent, wonderful, beautiful. And my little front tooth was missing. And I'm there smiling. And I had to look at that picture. I said, is there anything wrong with that little boy? Is he bad? No. What is he? He's a wonderful young man. No porn, no nothing, no bad, no nothing. That's that boy. That's you. At no time in your life did you ever stop being that 6-year-old boy. He's here. He's right here. Now you got to protect him. I saw myself protecting my own little 6-year-old. People were blaming him and all that. Don't talk about my son like that. Don't talk about me like that. You know what I mean? I wouldn't let anybody talk about my kids. So I wouldn't let anybody talk about you. People pointing at me and I was like, nope. It's not me. And I'm holding my own little boy. I'm 6 years old in myself. It's like I'm protecting him. I'm holding on to him. And men aren't taught to do that. Men are like, well, I'm grown now. No, we're all kids. Listen, as smart as you are right now, you don't know it all. Let me tell you, the difference between you and a kid in regards to knowledge, you don't know the world, you're still a child. We're all still learning. There's so much we don't know. It's as if we started at 1 year old, right now. There's so much, it's too much to know. So just stop. Stop acting like a grown-up. And the big thing is not to be childish, but we need to be childlike. You know what I mean? And a kid, he could say, man, it's just like my little son when he sipped over the water. It's okay, man. You made a mistake. Clean the water up. It's okay. Before, I'd have been like, hey, man, you're bad. You're bad for doing that. Because I would have did that to myself. My family saw it like, he didn't put shame on him. Because I knew how to not put shame on me. You see what I mean? I don't put shame on you. I don't put shame on anybody. Everybody's learning. Everybody's doing it.